All right, so today we're out here working. I got the tractor, chainsaw, and the brush hog here. We're gonna be clearing a trail. I slowly started making a trail from back over where it's easy to access, where my shipping container is, down across, up through here. I have a little bit of a trail going over into that field, but my goal is to get a trail that'll go all the way around the perimeter of my property. But it's pretty overgrown, pretty thick, so I've just been slowly hacking away at it. I just started doing some of this the other day, and then my tractor broke down. Took a few days to get the parts, get it figured out, but I was able to hit this a little bit last night. So we're just gonna basically keep at it today and see how far we can get.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
All right, so I talked to the previous owner about this field. I was having a hard time trying to find where this field connects to the next one over. And she actually was able to point me to right in this general area next to this larger tree. I crawled around in there and found that the stone wall does go very gradual there, and then it's steep on both sides. So I think that happens to be the opening. We're gonna fire up the brush hog, go back in there first. There is a tree that's fallen down. I don't know if you can see it. I'll have to cut that up with the chainsaw, but I'm trying to breach my way into that next field. Now, the owner told me that the next field has an apple orchard in it. Don't know if it's still growing, still, you know, useful, or if it's just dead and been gone for years now. So we'll take a look at that when we get closer. But let's see if we can blaze another path. Alright, so you can see the stones here have been significantly reduced. Over there it looks like the wall's stacked behind that bush. Over here, rocks are piled a lot higher. So right through here looks pretty low. I just got to get all these thorn briar bushes out of here. They seem to keep going on my fingers. Smart person would put on gloves, but you know, it's not me. So, but once we get in here, it's looking like my best point of attack is going straight there between those two large trees, but I'm not sure because it looks like it is just severely overgrown. So I don't know, I'll have to see once I get in here. Sounds like it's about to pour on me. Yep, we're about to get soaked. All right, this is going to be a nice little ride back to the shipping container.
I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, go slow, you can still go. Go, no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Oh yeah, nice and wet. Well, I'm just glad we didn't drive the tractor in here.
I was testing it out for you. I mean, it's not buried, but it's sitting in there.
Oh yeah, not buried, he says.
This side ain't.
Oh my
There's the
god.
mud on me.
Oh, I had to go get the dozer.
That or the excavator.
Oh my god.
Take your excavator. The dozer would come through here like nothing.
Wow.
That was, I drove in here and it just sunk. I'm like, oh, we ain't going nowhere.
All right, we're gonna have to reconvene.
I got this to John Adams. He's like, how buried is it?
It's in there.
Look at me, fucking shitted right up.
Is John at your house?
No.
Oh, I was just saying, I think I sent a Snapchat of it to him too.
Want some of the winch?
Yeah. Yeah, I was doing good with the brush hog, and then all of a sudden I felt the tires sinking. I'm like, I'm out. Like, that's as far as the path you're getting, Keen.
Yeah, I found a good path.
Yeah, it's definitely wet over here.
That over there. I went to turn around to go back up. I'm like, fuck. This is not.
Honestly, if it hadn't rained yesterday and today.
Just riding around?
What's that?
Were you just riding around?
No, I was
Both of you?
looking. No, he was.
Oh, it was just him. I was still brush hogging.
See how wet it was down here, and I'm like, fuck, it's in there.
A little bit more. Good.
I'm already muddy, so I'll get on it.
I don't know if you need more ass end weight or. Is it low?
No.
Oh. Jesus, burnt in the
I
clutch.
was only going for...
That's the bell. We got her.
Didn't take too much effort for this. Jeez, I gotta go watch it off now. Your turn, go right out in there.
Can I take it in?
If you want to. No matter.
Ah.
It just goes up and
It just
around.
loops around.
Go right around there.
It does get solid over there,
Yeah.
but
It was bad until I went to turn around.
Then I gotta wash it.
We're getting out of here. Like it's like,
hair more. Yeah, that should be good. You have the brake on?